Do you want to make money online? As a blogger, you might be aware of 1 or 2 ways that you can monetize your blog, but there are so many possibilities, and I'm going to share with you 13 ways that you can monetize your blog today. So by the end of this video, you'll have masses of ideas. 11 of these I actually use in my business. I'm Abby and I help mums turn their blogs into businesses, and I'm always asked how I make money online and how bloggers can diversify their income so that they can create a sustainable business. So today I'm going to share with you 13 ways that you can monetize a blog or start to make different income streams from having a blog as a starting point. So number 1 is affiliate income. Now this might be one that you know about already, and it might even be one that you've started to implement in your business. But you recommend a product or a service to your audience, and you have a special trackable link. If they then choose to buy that product or service and go through your link, you will get a commission. Now that commission depends on the actual affiliate that you are working for. It can range from 4% up to 60 or 70%. Quite often the majority are 40%, 20 to 40%, but they can go up to as high as 70. Now you would only ever recommend something that you have used yourself or that you really love, a service or a product, but it is a great way to start getting income, a passive income stream into your business. The second way is online workshops. So if you have a particular skill, and hopefully as a content creator you do have something to share with the world, then you can create an online workshop where people pay to attend. You can do that through a Facebook group or through Zoom or Skype or whatever technology you want to use. People would pay to come to that workshop and then you would deliver that training. The third way is through book sales. So you might think that you don't want to write a book, or that it's a big undertaking, and it is, and it can be, but I've written a book, and I wrote my book in 90 days. As a content creator, you've probably got a lot of content already out there in the world, and some of that you can reformat, rewrite and turn into a book. So it's not necessarily something that has to take you years and years and years, and it does mean that you get a royalty check every month on the sales that you make. So it's a great income stream, and it also positions you as an authority in your niche too. So the fourth way is YouTube Adsense. So no one is going to say that you're going to become a millionaire overnight from Adsense. So if you monetize your videos and you turn the ads on, it just means that every time someone comes to watch one of your videos, they watch an advert first. And most of these are skippable, and you can just sort this out in your YouTube settings. And every time someone watches one of those adverts, you're going to get a fraction of a pence probably. So you do need a lot of traffic and a lot of views in order to make this super lucrative, but you still can gain some money each month. And obviously as your channel builds and as your authority builds, then that AdSense money will build as well. And it's a nice, you know, passive income stream that's just working in the background for you. The sixth way that you can make money from a blog is to offer a membership. So I have the Revolution Inner Circle. Again, if you have a skill or a talent or something that you want to share with the world, you can package up all of that information. Maybe it's some courses, maybe it's some downloads, maybe it's some training that you're going to do on an ongoing basis, and people will pay a monthly fee to be part of that membership. So before I share the last few income streams we're going to talk about today, I'd love to know in the comments how many income streams you currently have in your business. So leave me a comment below and let me know. Okay, so the seventh way you can monetize your blog and make money from having a blog is to do one-to-one coaching. So this is labor intensive, but it can be lucrative. So it's not something that you're going to be able to scale, because obviously you've only got a certain amount of hours in the day, but it's definitely something that you could do if people are coming to you asking for your advice on certain topics. Then you can have that income stream as something that you can do as and when you have time to do that. So the eighth way is through consultancy. So you can offer consultancy to businesses. So this might be that they pay you a retainer for your advice, or it could be that they pay you a monthly fee to deliver a certain amount of content or to manage content that they have. So I'm currently a consultant for Brit Mums, and I do their social media management every month. And so you can, by being in the industry, whichever niche you're in, you can develop these alliances with businesses that might need to tap into your skill. So the 9th way is by creating digital products. So these products can be workbooks, cheat sheets, templates, spreadsheets, anything that you can create that's valuable that your audience will pay to download and have instant access to. So the 10th way is to offer reviews and critiques. So this can be a wide variety of critiques depending on what your speciality is. I offer blog critiques, so I go onto someone's website and critique all the different pages and how it looks and the impression and the usability. But maybe you're a photographer and you could offer photo critiques, or maybe you are a stylist and you can offer outfit critiques. Whatever that is, there's a way to be able to tap into your knowledge and use it on a critique review basis. So the 11th way is a really popular way, and that's working with brands. Now you can work with brands in so many different ways: social media promotion, blog posts, getting paid to host guest posts on your website, being a brand ambassador, being paid to go to a conference and being sponsored to go to a conference, going on a holiday even, and have sometimes these partnerships are giving you money, are lucrative, and other times they can be for the experience, and that's something that you have to weigh up yourself. But there is definitely money to be made from these brand partnerships, even if you're a small blogger. So the 12th way is through speaking. So public speaking might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's definitely something that you can tap into if you have a story and some knowledge to share with the audience. This might start as an unpaid venture, but as you progress and you get more skilled in your craft, there will be opportunities to be paid to speak about the subject that you love. So that's a great way to add another income stream to your business. And the 13th way that you can make money from having a blog is to create a subscription service. So this could be a physical product like a subscription box. Maybe you write about self-care, and so you could create a self-care box, but it could be a digital subscription. So I have Socially Savvy, which is a content subscription, so social media content subscription. So people pay a monthly fee and they get access to templates and images and content ideas each and every month. So you could create something specially for your audience. So what would your audience be willing to pay for on a monthly basis that you can deliver to them? This is again a one-to-many income stream, which is great. So you create things once and you can sell it over and over and over again. So now you know 13 ways that you can monetize your blog. And if you want to join a group of women just like you, I run a secret society where I share up-to-date blogging and biz tips that will help you turn your blog into a business. So I'll put the link up in the cards for the Mompreneur Revolution, and I'd love to see you on the inside. So if you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, share it with your friends, and I'd love to know in the comments how many income streams you currently have in your business, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.